All right, let's look at the homework 3.6, problem number 5. All right, so let's use log differentiation to find the derivative of this given function. All right, so let's do that. All right, first step, we're going to take the natural log of both sides. So we're going to apply natural log to both sides. So you have a natural log of y is equal to natural log of this big thing. So you have e to the negative x times cosine of 2x, sorry, not cosine of 2x, cosine squared of x, and over 4x squared plus 5x plus 7, right? So then using the log property, we can split into, so if you have a multiplication, we can split it as the addition. So you have a natural log of e to the negative x plus natural log of cosine squared of x, right? And then if you have a division, you can write it as subtraction minus natural log of 4x squared plus 5x plus 7. Right, so we have that. And then we can even simplify a little further. You have a natural log and the exponential function. They are inverses of each other. So by inverse property, they basically cancel each other out. And also, if you have a squared here, you can place it in front. So you can put 2 in front. And there's not much you can do in the last term, so I'm going to leave it as it is. So you're going to get negative x plus 2 times natural log of cosine of x. Maybe I should put the parentheses here. And a minus, I'm going to copy that. So you have a natural log of 4x squared plus 5x plus 7, right? We got that. All right, then we can just take the derivative with respect to x. So we're going to take the derivative. All right, so derivative of natural log of y would be, so whatever inside the log, you put it on the bottom, and take the derivative, put it on top, right? So that's going to be the derivative. Derivative of negative x is negative 1. And plus 2 times, and whatever you have inside the natural log, put it on the bottom, so you have a cosine of x. Take the derivative of that, put it on top, so you have a negative sine of x, right? Minus derivative of that would be, so whatever inside the natural log, put it on the bottom, so 4x squared plus 5x plus 7. And take the derivative of that, put it on top. So 4x squared derivative is 8x. Derivative of 5x is going to be just 5. All right. Then last step is, since we're interested in just y prime, we need to just multiply through by y. So it's going to be multiply by y. That will isolate y prime. So I'm just going to write this. So it's a negative 1 here. Actually, everyone seems to have a negative sign. So it might be wise to pull out the negative sign. So this is going to be 1. If you pull out, you have a 2 times sine over cosine is tangent. So it's going to be plus 2 tangent of x. Right? Negative sign is pulled out. So it's a plus 8x plus 5 over 4x squared plus 5x plus 7. Then remember, we're multiplying by y. Y is the original function, so it's a e to the negative x times cosine squared of x over 4x squared plus 5x plus 7. Right? So let's type it in. All right, so what we got was, so that was a negative sign in front. Then you have 1 plus 2 tangent of x. right? Then plus fraction. So you have 8x plus 5. So you have 8x plus 5. Then over. So this guy over 4x squared plus 5x plus 7. Right? Oh, actually, I didn't do that. So I have to get down here. Plus 5x plus 7. Right? Then all we have to do is just to put these the same function. So I'm going to just do this. Right? Oh, actually, not that. Right? So I'm going to here put e to the negative x times cosine squared of x, and then over, so I'm gonna highlight this, and then divided by 4x squared plus 5x plus 7. Right, let's check the answer. All right, I came back. Looks like we got this one correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.